Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Shani Karna calling from PBED class of 23. Teaching narrative reading by using subtext strategy for Islamic senior high school students. Read by Muhammad Hollandia, Novalingga Vitaloka, Wahyudianto. The problems of this study are the students had lot of motivation in reading English texts. The students poor vocabulary, so they were not able to guess meaning easily. The students could not predict the content of the narrative text. The students got difficult to identify the character of the narrative text. And some students took too much time in comprehending the text. And the objectives of the study is were to find out whether or not there was a significant improvement before and after the treatment on the 11th grade students reading comprehension scores at one Islamic senior high school in Palembang by using subtext strategy and to find out whether or not there was significant difference on the 11th grade students. Reading comprehension scores between the students who were taught by using subtext strategy and those who were not. The study was conducted at MA Patra Mandiri Palembang, one Islamic senior high school in Palembang. The participants for the study were 11 IPS 2 and 11 IPS 3. The writer select class 11 IPS 2 and 11 IPS 3 example, and total of participants are 60 students. 30 students from each class. In this study, the sampling method was used for the reading comprehension test in the form of multiple choice to collect the data. The method was used for this study is subtext strategy and reading comprehension test in the form of multiple choice questions was used to collect the data. The technique of collecting the data using a reading comprehension test in form of multiple choice questions. The same items were used for the test and post-test to measure students' progress before and after the treatment. The data was gathered from both the control and experimental groups, technique of analyzing the data using qualitative techniques. The data obtained from the quasi-experimental design were calculated using SPSS 20 software, statistical package for the social science. Test was used as the inferential statistical analysis to determine if there was a significant improvement before and after the treatment. Finding of the study showed a significant improvement in the reading comprehension scores of students in experimental group after the implementation of subtext strategies. The analysis also revealed a significant difference in reading comprehension score between the experimental group and the control group, indicating the effectiveness of the subtext strategy. The study concluded that teaching narrative reading using the subtext strategy had a significant positive effect on the reading comprehension scores of 11th grade students. The The subtext strategy was found to be an effective approach for improving reading comprehension skills. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.